close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Welcome to my channel. Today is a very special day for us. We are buying our first car after marriage. So I thought of documenting it and make it more memorable. We were planning since last 6 months to buy a car, but we were confused between two cars, XUV and Jeep. And then Kutubai also joined us. So why we finalized XUV 500 W11, my husband is gonna review. Why we decided to go for XUV 500 W11 and not Jeep Compass?
Jeep Compass comes around 18 to 20 lakhs, and as per its size is quite expensive, and we should say it's quite overpriced as per its size, but looks wise if you see Jeep Compass is quite modern, not that common, but from inside is quite compact and not that spacious if you compare it from XUV500. XUV500 although is quite common nowadays, but this new model came up with lots of additional features and they improved a lot from the previous model. So and it's quite spacious also in this segment, and looks wise also they have worked a lot from the previous model.
And then we were confused between colors, which color to take, and we did voting also between our family and friends. Again, after lots of discussion, we thought of taking Lakeside Brown first, and then it was my wish to take black color. And finally the wait is over. Here is our brand new car, the updated XUV 500 W11. Let's take a quick look.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact.
We like the exterior, which feel like a real MPV. It has also a panoramic sunroof for the first time, which is a plus. The rear has completely changed in the terms of tail light. It's little bit inspiration of Land Cruiser now. On the inside, the tan and the black combo looks beautiful along with the quilted leather seats. Even the dashboard and the doors now have a leather and soft touch layer. Technology and safety wise also many features got improved, like 6 airbags, tire pressure monitoring system, hill descent control, rollover mitigation and many more. And my little munchkin is very excited as he is also fond of cars like his dad. It seems he loved his new car. Finally, we got the keys of our new car, and before our first drive, as per Indian traditions, little bit of Ganesh Puja is necessary. So overall the styling is bit more premium. The interiors are more upmarket and more plush, and the engine is gotten more powerful. Here comes the first selfie in our new car, where our son is looking more happier than us for the first drive. And here we go, our first drive in our brand new car. मम्मा लगाएगी
चल चल वे तू बंदया उस गलिए जहाँ कोई किसी को ना जाने, क्या रहना वहाँ पर सुन बंदया जहाँ अपने ही ना पहचाने.
always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track.